Hey guys, happy Monday, July the 5th. I hope you all had an amazing weekend with your family, your friends, all that good stuff. Um, yeah, and today nothing special. I just wanted to pop in. I wasn't going to even do a video, and I was like, well, I got a few things I can vlog about. So, yes, a good day so far. I did have to work from like 10 to 3, and then after that, what else did I do after that? I actually went for a walk with some friends and came home and I took a nap and let me see. I think that's about it really. And I washed my truck and I think that's about it, y'all. Yeah, nothing spectacular, but yeah, I said I'll pop on, give you guys a little vlog, probably like 8 minutes long. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change my. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and change my pillow on my bed, my case on my bed. I hope you guys don't fall off the actual. It looks dark in here now. What is going on? Yeah, I hope you guys don't fall off the thing. This is outfit of the day. If y'all can see, I just have on some shorts, this linen cotton top and these linen shorts, and y'all know I like to wear these. That basically that's all. That's all. I'm gonna take y'all outside in a minute so I can show y'all my little friend that I've been telling y'all about. Honey, he done got him a new spot. I don't know if it's a male or female, but I know yesterday evening there were two of them and they were together, and so I think they were like mating or something. So that was kind of interesting to see for the first time in my life. Two frogs mating. They were actually like near each other, and then when I got ready to, when the garage opened, it's kind of like they just one jumped one way, one place, and the other one jumped another place. So guys, this pillow is one of the I think it was called Design Home or something that I thrifted, not thrifted, but I hauled from the bins. So yeah, I never got a chance to use it. So I said, why not use it now? And yeah, but nothing too much, guys. Nothing too much. Hopefully, I'm going to be doing some traveling pretty soon. Once everything starts winding down a little bit. So, yeah. So, hold on, guys. Let me take hold on, y'all. I need to take my blanket here that I hung. Somebody said, y'all, thank God I don't listen to people. This blanket here smells so good. Y'all, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Smells so good. I'm going to put it in the closet, and then we'll come back. But somebody will try to say, I was ghetto for hanging my stuff outside, which is really stupid. I'm crazy for someone to think that way. But you're entitled to think however you want. But I know one thing. No one pays my bills. So, yeah, I'm going to put this in the closet, guys, and I'll show you guys my friend out there, and then we'll come back in a hot second. Yeah, we're gonna go outside so y'all can see my friend real quick. So let's take a little walk. Let's take a walk so y'all can see my baby's clean. All right, y'all, I don't want to get too close, but do y'all see? You see it? See him? See him? Oh my gosh, I'm like, what are you doing in here? What do you want in here with us? What do you want? Every day, y'all. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments. Do y'all have, I don't know. I just think it's very interesting to have a frog. First it was like on the outside. Every time I come home, now he's in the garage making a home. I don't know, but it feels good out here right now. So the wind is starting to blow. As you can see, the trees are moving. However, it got tonight. It's 90 degrees right now. It might be 95, but it's super hot. I'm gonna go in the house, go in the kitchen. I'm gonna fix my food from the other day. I'll meet you guys in the kitchen. Oh, y'all, before we leave, but let me know in the comments what kind of videos. I think I asked y'all before what kind of videos y'all want to see. I'm trying to think about doing a video of the deck, putting a before picture how it looked before it got painted, and then I started adding this stuff. Then I can go into detail of where everything came from. So if you guys would be interested in that, I think that would be a good video because it is summertime, and a lot of people are, you know, fixing up their decks and things like that. So just let me know. We'll figure out something. Oh, y'all, look at my tomato plant. Look, y'all see it growing? Can y'all see it? You can smell it too. It smells just like tomatoes is coming up. So yeah, guys, I had to come back and ask you guys that. And yeah, other than that, there is nothing else going on interesting. Well, every day is interesting, but as far as like me going out somewhere and spending money and doing stuff like that, there's nothing going on there. I think I am going to take the top of the pieces of the grill off and wash those off and have that done, so the next time I use the grill, they'll be clean already. And I got a burger left and a hot dog, so I'm going to eat that for dinner. I ate a salad when I came in before I took my nap, so I have salad left for another helping for this meal, and then I'll have my hamburger, which is basically a Beyond Meat burger, and a Lifeline hot dogs. Y'all, them hot dogs were good, like really good. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna get my sandwich together. Well, get my food together. Well, while we're here, I'm just gonna show you guys really quick how I'm trying to minimize my shelf here by just having one thing basically on each shelf. So I did bring in, and you guys can let me know what you think. I did bring in this out of the office. I bought that in here. Then I put this plant here, and then this one I just wanted to stay. And then what I think I might do is put this one here inside this pot, because this one actually, this is a candle holder thing. This is not really for a plant. So I think what I'm going to do today is put this in here, and then I probably can find somewhere else for it to go. But let me know what y'all think. So let's head on into the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so my hamburger is already done, and the hot dog is done. So like I said, this is leftovers from Saturday, and I had one leftover bun, so I had to take the bun and split it. I could use this part for the hamburger, for the hot dog, and this one is going to be for my hamburger. So this is going to be my dinner this evening. So I'm just going to put me some sliced onion for my hamburger there, and the cheese is already on there, as y'all can see. Looks good, don't it? Put the cheese on there and I had covered it up with that top so it can melt. And this is that this is the cheese, the alternative cheese, cheddar cheese. So let's get our bun out here. Get our hot dog. That's the last of the barbecue, y'all. That's the last of the Mohican. So that's done. And I can turn it off and set this in the oven while it cools off. I need to find me one of those mitt looking things that you use for your failure cast iron, because when you touch that thing, guys, if you're not familiar or remember that you had just turned that on and that thing is hot, you're gonna be in some trouble. You're gonna be in some serious trouble. So to avoid all of that, we have to remember. So there's our hamburger and a hot dog, and give me some salad here. And I'm gonna call it an evening. I think I might run to, now it is 7:38, so I might run to Home Depot to see if they have any of that paint. I still need to get the Mindful Gray paint, and yeah. Here. So guys, hope you guys ate well. Like I said, had a beautiful week, a good start to your day, because it's already Monday. Uh-oh. I can throw that away. There's nothing else left in there. So here is dinner. Can y'all see that? This is my dinner. for today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, watch a little tube, and I will see you guys in another video. I told you it wasn't gonna be this late. I mean, it wasn't gonna be that long because I really didn't have anything. I wasn't doing anything. So just wanted to pop in and say hello. Hope you guys watch till the end. Don't forget to love yourself so you be able to love others. So this world will be a much beautiful place. And don't forget to share the channel. If you watch to the end, let me know that you watched to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.